So this right here is a trading pattern that you're going to be using to trade. Okay, it's a simple one, but I promise you it works. Okay, so you can see the trade the breakout. You can see the breakout happened and set stop above the candle preceding the breakout. As you can see, price projection is the highest of the rounding top. So you can see the breakout happens and you can see this candle right over here. So you're going to go to with this setup to your whatever currency and crypto you want to trade, and you're going to look for this exact pattern, and when you see it, you know the trade is going down. Okay, that is a cheat code. So you use this trade and you go to Bing X, and in Bing X they're going to allow you to implement this trading pattern in there so you can make money. And when you do so, you come back and tell me how it goes. Okay, hi. So today I'm going to be doing a review of this video. It's called the Bing X. So if you are a trader, new or old, and you may be wondering on if you can transform to another app. So I have one here called Bing X, and I did use it for a while, and my friends have been using it, and she said, a friend of mine who was a female, she said, why don't you tell people? I've seen people now making videos about this. Why are people still using just one trading app? There's so many. Okay, so Bing X, you're just going to Google and type bingx.com, or just Bing X, and you're going to see the first thing that it comes when it comes. And Bing X, as you can see, that is what I've just done right now. And the first thing you can see, it has welcome gifts. Okay, USDT gifts. You can get 10, 20, 10, or 100. It's a app that knows how to care for people. But I'm just going to press X because I want to talk about it, and I want to tell you why you should be using it, or why it's the best thing you should invest in. Okay, or where you should take your money. As the first thing, because it's a beautiful app. They are advertising on which kind of currencies or cryptocurrencies you're going to use just below. It's a leading crypto exchange. Trade and learn about crypto with confidence. They do not only offer a place to trade, they offer a place to learn. So, and then you're able to do it with confidence. Okay, as you can see here, let's just see. It has 5 million global users. There should be more. 600 plus listed cryptocurrencies. This is a lot. And 100 plus supported countries and religions. Wow, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. As you can see, it's a beautiful thing. You can see you have the home, you have market, trade, and an asset. It's not cluttered with a lot of things. You don't know how to press, you don't know where to go. It's just a clean app. Okay, you can download it. Depends on what you're using. You can download it. You can use on laptop or even on your phone. Just download it. Okay, and you sign up with your email, of course, and you can just say you're rewarded the minute you put your email here. You are rewarded. I mean, where have you found an app like that is giving people money? Nowhere. Okay, so capture every trading opportunity. Okay, we have the popular spots, popular features. The most common one is Bitcoin USDT, and you have Ethereum, and you can see side to side what is happening. As you can see, Bitcoin is at 25, and you can see what is going on with Ethereum. So just because a coin is not going up doesn't mean you should not trade it. There are people making money with trading going up and down. So when you're waiting for people to you're waiting for news on Twitter, people can say, oh, make money with this, it's going up. Oh, make money with that. No, people are making money. Explore our trade, our products. As you can see, sports, futures, great trading. Secure your assets. It's within 3 minutes, you are already started. No question. This if you have events all over. Trade anytime, anywhere. App Store, Google Play, iOS and Android. Look, and you can see where it has been featured. TradingView, it's supported with all this. Okay, MT5. This is MetaTrader 5. They have signal. So let's see their signals. And I know most people do not know what they're doing, or they do not have the knowledge that other people have, and people misuse this knowledge as saying, oh, you need to pay me. Okay, such apps do offer signals for free. Okay, and you can use your bank to deposit. Market, look, it's a very clean. As you can see, this is all the coins, whichever you want to trade, and trade details. Okay, so if you press on one coin and you say details, and it's going to take us to details. Um, Look, so this is the Ethereum classic price, ETC, and they have day 1 day $14. So when you buy it, you're saying maybe it's gonna go up, and you can sell it or take your money when it gets to 15, 16 or 20. But this is the price of Ethereum right now, and I do believe it's low compared to where it's going. So let's see, copy trade. So the thing is, oh, I think I did press somewhere. Oh, look what happened, guys. Do not do stupid things like this. Yeah. Oh, they're saying I log in. I have logged in my phone, but I'm using my laptop, so I can tell you. Excuse me, and it has brought me this that I should log in, but I'm not going to be logging in because I have it on my phone. Okay, I'm just here to tell you that whether you should use it or not. I just think it's something new. Use it. Okay, it's something nice, and you can see it's a beautiful. It has a beautiful layout where you can see everything. You can see open, close, login, sign in, sign up, login. Look, the presentation is nice. This movement of price is the same as that one in TradingView. Okay, it's so the same. You can change to whatever trade you want to. Let's just put Bitcoin. Say just for the sake because it's the most common one. and then we're going to see where it's going. You can see the time here. We're going to be changing the time. It's on 15 minutes. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's saying it's going up. 15 minutes is saying it's going down. So where do you trust? You trust your own calculations. Okay, that is what you're going to do. So use it, and then you're going to tell me what you find about it. And for a signal that I may give you, I have one here. Take this as a buy, and price is going to be reaching here for the order block, and then it's going to go down. I mean, this is a tip that I'm not, it's just like, it's common knowledge, but just be careful taking it because it might not go the way you want it to go. Okay, try it and then you come tell me what you think about it. Being X, I think it's a good trading app. If you ask me, it's a good trading app.